how to put a photo in your photo gallery, how to upload it, manage photos. Let's talk about that. Okay, we're going to look at an album on here. We're going to look at the Quilter's Path. We put the photos in there. This is a store that I know that is closed, and I visited it one day. And so there's photos of everything that's in there. Actually, this isn't all the Quilter's Path, but okay, if I wanted to tag this photo, who's in this photo? Add a caption. You're going to just write whatever it is about that photo. Click on there. This was done by Betty Smith. Excitement. If I wanted to save that, that's what I would do, but we're not going to save that. So the other nice thing about that, it's one photo. It tells you when that was done. You can post the comment. You can play a slideshow with the photos in there. But so you get that. I think escape. There we go. Okay. Use photo as, if I use it as the thumbnail for an album or a thumbnail or a group photo, that would be this photo here. If you have a really exciting photo of your group and you want to put it there, great. I think that's great. Right now we've got the Good Stitches logo in there, but you as the organizer, if you want to showcase somebody's quilt there every month or somebody's stitching, crochet and embroidery, do that. Pick out a person of the month and showcase them on your group photo. If you want to delete it or move it from album to album, or if somebody reposts an album photo on there and you want to report it, do that. If an album falls off, you can reorder that album. If you have an album on there that you no longer want on there, delete it. If you need to rename the album, or if you needed to add photos, you're going to be able to add photos to that. And members of your group as well too. What I encourage you to do is, the people in your group, give them all a photo album and let them load it up with all their projects that they're working on and share with others. So Mary Smith in your group could have her own photo album. You could have a group photo album. You could have an album of your last event. You can use those albums. They're popular. When people go and look at your group to see what kind of activity, they will go and look at those pictures. Pictures should always be posted within the first 3 days after an event. It is extremely important that you do that. People in your group will want to see the activity. They get a kick out of seeing their photos, seeing their stuff showcased. I mean, think about it, wouldn't you? If you're a member of that group, you want to know about it. You want to go and see, yeah, that was pretty cool. Somebody did this and somebody did that. And then also you can share those with your friends. Hey, look at what my friends did, and send them to the photo albums. So that's a great way for you to create excitement within your group. Don't hesitate to use these. If somebody's got something for sale in the message boards, what you can do is create a photo album and list all the things for sale. And then when you do the write-up in the message board, you put the link for that photo album. And here's where you find your link. Here's the link for that picture right here. So you would click and copy that link, go drop it in the message in your photo album, and that way when they click on this link, it's going to take them right to that photo album, and then they can see all the items that are for sale. So you would create a for sale item for each person, a for sale photo album for each person, that is. So if Mary Smith has a bunch of needles and fabric and thread she wants to sell, have her send you pictures, or have her, well, actually you should have her upload them, because it takes your valuable time. Have her upload the pictures to the photo album and put Mary Smith items for sale. And then when you write it in, or she writes it in the message boards, then she can do that. I'll also do a little tutorial for the members so they know how to do that. How to use those message boards and photo albums to sell their their goods that they're not using, or swap, or books for trade and things like that. All those message boards and photo albums are really, really great tools if you know how to use them. So now you know how to do the photo albums. Any questions on that, just let us know.